Hare Krishna Prabhu. Prabhu, we often hear in our sampradaya about Babaji. So can you a little bit enlighten about what is Babaji and how it is it superior to sannyasa?
That is being in the Gaudiya Parampara, Babaji Vesh. Like sannyas Vesh, Babaji Vesh is also. All this is the only difference between Babaji and sannyasi. One is a Goshtyanandi, another one is a. So for preaching, it's sannyasis. And if you want to close the door and be aloof, alone, that's Babaji. Right? So let us first become a brahmachari, then we'll think about sannyasis and Babajis. Right? But as Babaji Vesh is there, a part of Gaudiya-Vaishnavism, Bhaktivedanta Thakur took Babaji, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. So Babaji is another initiation where one renounces everything. And preaching is also not given so much importance by Babaji. Babaji is more like a recluse. He's very recluse. He does not even go out like sannyasis. Sannyasis are like preachers, Parivrajaka Acharya, preaching finally, Paramahamsa. Babajis are already Paramahamsa. They have gone beyond that stage.